Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the ultimate comfort food, the classic baked potato. Crisp on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and crowned with cool, tangy sour cream. It's simple, satisfying, and sneakily packed with centuries of history and flavor science. Here's what you need for our baked potato recipe. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you don't have it, don't worry, vegetable oil works just fine. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half cup of sour cream. 1 stalk of green onion or chives, finely chopped. 1/3 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, or whatever cheese you love or have at home. 2 strips of crispy fried bacon, crumbled. Half teaspoon of black pepper. 2 large russet potatoes, about 280 grams each. You will need some tin foil to wrap the potatoes. First thing first, give your potatoes a good scrub and pat them completely dry. We're going for crispy skin, not soggy. Potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space. NASA made it happen in 1995 to help future astronauts grow food on long missions. Brush the potatoes with olive oil. Poke a few holes with a fork. The average American eats around 120 pounds of potatoes a year. That's roughly the weight of a baby elephant. And season with salt. Wrap them in tin foil. And bake at 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then unwrap and broil for 3 to 5 minutes to crisp up the skin. You can check if the potato is done by gently poking it with a toothpick. If it's sliced in easily, the potato is fully cooked. As they bake, your kitchens fill with the most mouth-watering aroma, warm, earthy, and buttery. Let your potato cool just a bit, then slice the potato lengthwise Just underskin using a knife to create an opening for the toppings. Now for the fun part. Add a spoonful of sour cream. Sprinkle on your favorite cheese, bacon crumbles, a dash of black pepper, and finish with some fresh green onion or chives. Russet potatoes are perfect for baking because they're high in starch and low in moisture. That's what gives them that fluffy, cloud-like center. In the 1800s, baked potatoes were actually sold on the streets of London as winter hand warmers. Believe it or not, sour cream dates back to Eastern Europe in the Middle Ages, and it's been elevating baked potatoes ever since. Each bite is a harmony of textures and flavors: creamy, salty, crispy, tangy, the kind of combo that makes your taste buds do a little happy dance. And that's it, your perfect baked potato, loaded with flavor and fun facts. It's comfort food with a backstory. If you love this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what's your ultimate baked potato topping combo? Until then, see you next time.